Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Muhammad Abu Bakr, and the topic we will discuss today is Claisen Schmidt reaction, or sometimes we can say that Claisen reaction. So first of all, we can see this define. In this define, condensation of benzaldehyde with aliphatic aldehyde or ketone having alpha hydrogen in the presence of dilute alkali, and the product is formed alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound. This is the definition of this Claisen Schmidt reaction and or Claisen reaction. We can elaborate this definition in the above slide with the help of reaction. In the next slide, I will tell you benzaldehyde, aliphatic aldehyde, ketone, alpha hydrogen, and the product. So let's see. This is benzene, as all you know, and this is also an aromatic compound. This is an aldehydic group. So it is this overall called benzaldehyde. Okay. This is a simple chain, or where we placed this R by hydrogen and methane, ethane, and whatever so on. And this is also an aldehyde, so this is an aliphatic aldehyde, and the product is formed alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound. Basically this is a carbonyl compound, and after the carbonyl compound, the first carbon is alpha carbon, and the second one is the beta carbon, and this double bond show unsaturation. So let's start the mechanism or explain of this reaction, how possibly this product is formed. First of all, we can also write the benzene in this form: C6H5, and that is phenyl. And aldehyde, we can also write aldehyde as C carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. Then in the same way, we can also write aliphatic aldehyde in the same way, but here we can use, in place of R, methane. The above reaction is a general reaction, but here we can place CH3 methane, so we can write it in this way. Two hydrogen are placed in this side for the convenience, and the one hydrogen are placed below just for convenience. Similarly, carbon, double bond, oxygen, and hydrogen. Then oxygen from aromatic aldehyde and hydrogen from aliphatic aldehyde. In this way, water is removed, and the product is formed, basically C6H5 CH, and there is a double bond between this aromatic carbon CH and aliphatic CH. This is formed because oxygen is removed from aromatic and hydrogen is moved from aliphatic. This double bond is formed due to this reason. Then all are above in the same way. I can explain this just for your easiness, and this makes this reaction simplicity to understand. So the next, we can also write this reaction as benzene. Sorry, I am not able to write properly. Same in the way, CH, double bond, CH, then single bond C, double bond O carbonyl compound, then is H. So this is the same product in that we can see in the general reaction, and in the definition, in the define that benzaldehyde carbonyl compound, basically alpha beta unsaturated compound, that is alpha carbon, that is beta carbon. I will tell you in the first slide that alpha carbon is that carbon that is preferably above the carbonyl compound, and beta carbon is that is the second one of the carbonyl compound. So if we can use in the general reaction, that is aldehyde, if we use ketone, then H is replaced by R. In the same general reaction, H is replaced by R. So if we are replaced by CH3 for ketone, then the product is formed benzene, CH double bond CH single bond carbonyl compound, and here H is replaced by R and R is replaced by CH3. Basically R is not replaced by CH3. In R, I will tell you in first slide, in the place of R we can write CH3, hydrogen, ethane, and so on the chain of the aliphatic carbon. So basically exchange is here, hydrogen and R group. Hydrogen is for aldehyde and R for ketone. That is most preferably change. That is for aldehyde. So the final product after any restriction, its name is benzyl that is benzyl acetone. Basically, the R of this is like acetone. The formula of acetone is C double bond O and R. Basically, it is like ketone. Acetone is also the form of ketone, and R is, I will also tell you about, R is simply CH3, hydrogen, and ethane, methane, and so on. So this is our today class. So my next lecture, stay tuned. Assalamu alaikum.